Hey, welcome. You made it. I'm really glad that you have joined this course. Honestly, it's more like a seminar, and it's really a quick, relatively quick compared to my usual seminars, which are like 4 days. It's a relatively quick, though very dense, a lot of information packed into one place. This is stuff that I've been researching, playing with, experimenting with for going on 30 years now. So I have distilled the best of the best and put it in, as I said, in a dense format. So I encourage you to take notes, watch it again, and I promise you that if you apply what's here, it will make a profound difference in all of your relationships. Most of all, though, right now my encouragement to you is to feel into your own heart and remember what it's like to have really great, deep intimacy. And I'm not saying that we're always going to live in a honeymoon phase, of course not. And I know that you're here for a reason, and that there is another potential, something that you've tasted, you've touched, you've felt before in your life. And not only is it time to get that back, it's time to take that deeper. So, that's to say, set your sights high, and I'll see you soon.